whispers of the unknown. Taosho overflows. Once again, I am taking you for another inward journey, a guided meditation. Meditation, light of the being. Meditation is not a journey in space, not a journey in time. Instead, meditation is instantaneous awakening. My emphasis is on the word instantaneous awakening. And when all your efforts suddenly vanish, meditation happens. The benediction of it, the blessedness of it, the glory of it. Lie down and make yourself completely comfortable. Keep your eyes closed gently and make sure you are not falling asleep. Keep your mouth slightly open and allow the breathing to happen. As the breath comes in, visualize that a great light entering through your head into your body, as if sun has risen just close to your head. As the breath comes in, visualize that a great light entering through your head into your body, as if sun has risen just close to your head. You are just hollow, and the light is pouring into your head. Visualize as it goes deeper and deeper and goes out through the toes and then disappears in the unknown space. This light, as it moves in, will cleanse your whole body, and you will experience a state of creativity. This is the male energy. When you breathe out, visualize another thing. Visualize darkness entering through your toes, a great dark river entering through your toes, coming up and going out from the head. Go slow. Remember to breathe deeply so you can visualize. Visualize darkness entering through your toes, a great dark river entering through your toes, coming up and going out from the head. This is feminine energy. This will soothe you. It will make you receptive. It will calm you. as the music flows on, you remember like this until you are called back. Now, with the closed eyes, feel your body to be completely frozen. Now, gather all your energies, your total consciousness, energies from all parts of the body, and rush to the center of your being, just 2 inches below the navel, inside you. This is Hara. This is your energy center. With an utmost urgency, you return to this center as if this is your last moment of life. You do not have another chance. So, be faster and faster, deeper and deeper, as you are coming close to the center of your being. A great silence, a mystical silence, light of the being descends on you, and a peace that you have never known overflows, and the light of the being fills your whole inside. Keep on visualizing this as the music continues to overflow. From this center, do something that is not possible otherwise. Witnessing. Witness, you are not the body. Witness, you are not the mind. Witness that you are only a witnessing consciousness, a pure consciousness. A consciousness that is eternal, that is immortal. Know this as your being, and also everyone's being. Continue to dissolve as the music flows on, and this feeling deepens in you. Relax.